is the Hoover Dam. This dam was named after the 31st President of the United States, Herbert Hoover, after a lot of controversy. And at the time it was built in 1930s, it was the tallest dam of the world at 725 feet. There are different tours that you can take at the dam, and the basic tour starts at $10 per person. ये एक विजिटर एग्जिबिट सेंटर है एंड दिस इज द 3D मॉडल ऑफ द डैम. सो बेसिकली ये जो डैम है इट इज कंस्ट्रक्टेड ओवर द कोलोराडो रिवर बिटवीन द स्टेट ऑफ नेवाडा एंड एरिजोना. Let me explain. This is the Colorado River, this is the state of Nevada, this is Arizona, and this is the Hoover Dam. And now annually it generates 4 billion kilowatt hours of electricity for the people of Arizona, California and Nevada. As I'm walking on the dam, I'm actually moving from one state to another state, from Nevada to Arizona, and there is a time gap of 1 hour. We will try the water trick and see if the water actually flows upwards or not. So the trick failed because it's not windy today and the water did not flow up. So guys, I hope that you enjoyed the video. Do let me know in the comment section below which part of the video you liked the most, and please make sure to subscribe to my channel as well.